E ngā iwi e hui hui nei, nau mai, haere mai ki tēnā iwi. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Greetings to you all. And today, especially today, I will say, Malo elele, Malo homo mea mai. We gathered here today to celebrate our Tongan language, to celebrate our culture. It is written in Tongan oral narratives that the Tongan language originated as a communication link between a sky god named Tangaloa Etumatubua and the earthly woman named Waepupua, who was later on the mother of our Heitu, the first Tongan man. All languages use metaphor as a tool in communication. But in case of the Tongan language, use of metaphor is a reflection of our Tongan way of life, our Fonga Whakatoa. Tonight, you will witness the beauty of our culture through singing and dancing. It is a gift from our ancestors that we preserve from time to time. It is who we are. It is our identity. To open this special occasion, it is my honor to introduce our special guest of tonight. For 12 years, he has served his people. And he has served them well. Alex Hamilton and Heather Hamilton, it is a pleasure for us and very honored for the Tongan community to welcome you to open our Tonga Day today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Alex Hamilton.
Thank you very much, Api, for your welcome. We are overwhelmed. We did not expect to come tonight and get a seat up the front and be so recognised, and we appreciate that. Can I just say, Api is completely correct. Your language and your culture go together. Your language is very, very important to you. Your language determines who you are, where you came from, how you feel, and where you're traveling to. Your language is your life. Hang on to your language. Can I tell you a little story? Our family, 5 generations ago, was a Scottish family. Many, many miles on the other side of the globe. You have not travelled as far as our families, but we had a slightly bigger canoe and we had to come here because we were a Scottish family and we ran out of room and we had to go somewhere. And everybody travels for a reason. And the reason is usually that they need a new place, they need a new life. And that is what you've done. And you have brought to our district a new beginning for our culture and your culture, and many cultures. And it's good, it is good that these cultures mix together because it is a small globe and we all have to live and we all will live together. Because it's a language week, or a language time, I would like to join you to the other side of the world and say a little welcome in Scottish. Here's Teus, where's Lea and there's the pity. And the statement I've just made is, who are we? Who is like us? We are proud, and we will survive. And I think that in your language, somewhere, you will have something equivalent to that. And I would like also to say a small greeting in the Maori language. Hinihi, ni e kuiata da, ni koha kata. And that statement is a greeting to all of us, a greeting to all people, and a unification of all people. Kote kotahitanga, unity. Kote kotahitanga. That word in Maori is unity. I know that you have a big program tonight, and we are looking forward to that program. We thank you for your work in the community. We thank you for this evening, and we're looking forward to this evening. We feel especially overwhelmed that you have set us out in front, because we have, Heather and I, very simple origins. We don't feel like important people. We feel like part of the people. And sitting out in front like this is a real honour for us, and we thank you for that honour. We, as a community, say thank you to you for your contribution to community. The Tongan community is now our community. It is a community together, and I can see a future that includes you strongly in what happens amongst people. It is good to be multicultural. It is necessary to be multicultural. It is a bringing together of people to be multicultural. Kote kotahitanga. Thank you for this evening. We look forward to it. Thank you all for your contribution to community. We wish you well in the future. Heather and I have served for 12 years. We are happy with the support that we've had, and we will look back on this time, and we will look back on tonight, Aki. We will look back on this time as a special time, and we thank you for that special time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alex Hamilton, for opening the remarks. Could I ask Mayor to bear with me, Alex Hamilton? To show our appreciation, we are giving a little token presented by PALESITENI PALESITENI is the first Pacific island who was honored with OAMARU Citizen Award in 2002, and the first Tongan who came to settle in OAMARU, an organised group of Tongan men to come and work at Kelly's foundry. Please.
You must stay inside the room. A big job that you've done, doing all the extra stuff when you are starting the heavy job that you've done.
Ho mai te pakipaki, pas mai, ngalo. Pamalola